How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can focus stack in Gimp. So in my case, I have this photo right here as an example only. And let's say that my first photo or my first layer is mainly focused on the eyes or the left eye. The second one is going to be on the right. And the last one is going to be on the mouth. Now, the way to go ahead and apply all of the focuses together is to first create a layer mask. So you just want to right click on your first photo, click add layer mask, and then you want to select white full opacity. You then want to click on the actual mask itself, click on the paintbrush tool, and then you could just select something like a soft brush. You can adjust the sizing, the aspect angle, and more. And you just want to go ahead and apply the focus on the area right here. So in my case, I'm going to be applying onto this specific area. You could do the things on the mouth right here. And then you could just simply apply the focus from the other images right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.